大家早安，我今天要去做一个很伟大的任务也不是什么多伟大啦，因为圣诞节快到啦，一下就到12月了，天哪，日子过得真快。现在要去朋友家帮忙做圣诞饼干，为了要丰盛至少120个国际学生，跟着我一起去吧。我们来看看怎么做。如果你也想要自己做简单的圣诞饼干的话，请在留言区告诉我哦。那么多人的饼干，今天的 partner 到了，在这里。Hello， 雪兰，我们今天要做什么？
我们今天要做 cookies。
对，我们今天要去做 Christmas cookies。对，120个人的 cookie， 我们来。
这么多啊！我参加了什么东西我都不知道。
对，他上了贼船了，所以我们一起去吧。
跳了坑了。
Let's go！ 我们到目的地啦。Hi Ron, how are you? So you are ready for baking the cookies?
Yeah, I got a project for you.
Great, thank you so much today. Yeah, she is my partner today.
Yeah.
See you later.
See you later. So, Grant, what was the organization name?
International Students Club.
International Student. Oh, so
Yeah.
stand for ISC, stand for
That's right.
International.
We started it about 20 years ago because there's over 40,000 international students in Vancouver studying English. And we wanted to give them a place to come that it felt like home. So we have a hot cooked meal every Monday night. And then we have conversation around the table on any popular topic. It could be like, what are your favorite places in Vancouver to go to? Because a lot of the kids are musical. We have our own little band.
Wow.
So we sing for about a half an hour, usually gospel songs. And then after that, we have some kind of discussion, like who is Jesus or why did he come? It could be anything. And then we do gym time. So after like 2.5 hours, there's a big gym next beside us, so then they can go in and they play basketball or soccer. And then we do outings with them, or they come over here for dinner. And that's how I got to know Larissa.
How old are the students?
The students are usually university kids, like 19 to, well, all the way up to 30. And sometimes business people, like Brazilians and that, will have to do a few months in Canada. Their company sends them for English, so that they'll come to our group.
I see. It's in the Broadway Church.
It's at Broadway Church, so we're really thankful because they've provided so well for us over the years, so we're very grateful.
Yeah, I like the vacation. So what are we doing today?
Yeah, what are we doing today?
Oh yeah, what are we doing today? We're having our big Christmas party on Monday.
ISC invites all students and friends to activities, warm food, exciting performances, and exchange. Broadway Church, 5:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Date, December 9th, 2024.
120 something.
Wow.
So we're baking. We're gonna bake Christmas cookies, and we're gonna bake some pecan tarts for them and some Christmas fudge stuff. Anyway, this should be fun.
Yeah, so what will we have for the Christmas party, for the dinner?
Oh yeah, we're having a roast beef dinner because at Thanksgiving we had 120 for Thanksgiving and we had turkey dinner. So Christmas we always have a roast beef dinner.
Wow.
Yeah. So it's really nice. It's all the volunteers because you can't do it like you. It's all about teamwork makes the dream work. So it's good.
Wow, so anyone can join?
Anyone can join, but the emphasis, it is international students.
I see.
You could just know English for a very short time, or you could be well spoken in English, but you're an international student because it's all about them having a family away from home when they're abroad.
Yeah.
I wish I had that kind of opportunity when we were in university. Yeah,
It's
to
really
feel
nice.
like home.
And I've met so many lifelong friends like Larissa. When she comes every year, we spend time together. And I called it the International Bridal Club. Several of our students have fallen in love in our group.
Wow. Love matching club too.
It is.
That's true.
I'm very thankful to the Lord for putting it all together and sustaining it over these 20 years. It's all about the Lord.
Yay!
Cheers!
Cheers! Where's my cup?
Where's your cup?
I think that is mine. So where's yours?
Thank you.
我们现在要来做饼干啦，现在在切奶油。 然后要来做焦糖，先把奶油完全的融化，然后加 brown sugar 黑糖。我的 partner 呢正在排饼干，它是这个 cracker 的基底，要按照顺序很密集的排在一起。
排顺序。
我这个焦糖要让 brown sugar 跟 butter 完全的融化，并且起泡。大家有看到它已经在冒泡泡了吗？好，但是它还要再浓稠一点。
这里面有什么？牛油跟糖啊？
对，跟 brown sugar。现在呢，我们要把焦糖铺在 cracker 上面，焦糖要趁热把它放在 cracker 上，让每一片都沾到焦糖。
And then it bakes in the oven for 5 minutes.
接着呢，我们会把它放在烤箱烤几分钟。现在呢，我的工作就是先把皮抗胡桃敲碎，然后我们待会还有巧克力会铺在 cracker 上面。刚刚从烤箱出来了，我们现在要铺上巧克力，因为有热度，它可以慢慢的融化。每一个饼干上面都放一个，我们来看看谁的速度快啊！
现在玩下棋。
对，你们可以玩五子棋。We need a white chocolate.
Yeah, we could. White chocolate would be nice.
OK， 巧克力融化，把它平均涂抹，就变成这样啦。现在我们就把胡桃均匀的撒在 cracker 上面。
Yeah, because see, the pecans help it not to be so sweet.
I like the pecan。等一下我们还会放上 Christmas 的小碎花，让它看起来更有节庆的感觉。圣诞装饰有没有更有圣诞气氛啊？有雪花，有圣诞树，还有拐杖，超可爱。我们现在来做第二种饼干，豆腐已经做好了，它不是豆腐，它是面团。我们待会2个人会分一半，然后用这个模型把它做出形状，再撒上 Christmas 的装饰。首先先撒一点面粉，让它等一下不会粘在纸上，再把面团放上去压形状。我们已经擀平了，不能太厚，也不能太薄，因为它要变成 cookie 的样子。雪拉就帮我们示范，把它做成雪花的形状。我们等一下会撒上装饰。我们谢谢 Sheila 跟我们一起丰盛他人，因为我们做完之后不能吃。
做完之后不能吃，
因为太多糖了。
对。
进烤箱啦，我们要烤多久？10分钟左右，待会煎。Sheila， 你喝什么啊？
非常好喝的 cappuccino，
有卖吗
？cinnamon， 这个独家出售不卖的。
真的，我们要来看看刚刚烤的 homemade 的 cookie 咯，酱，
好香哦 ，so good。
所有 ISC 的 students 星期一都可以吃到哦。
耶！
那你来试试看吧。
我来试试看啊。
对，怎么样？
好脆啊！
好脆啊！配上你的 cappuccino 吧。人生一大享受。
这个 friend
的妈妈
传下来的 recipe， 这个牛油 cookie， 哇，太好吃了！
想吃的话，星期一就到 Broadway Church 吧。
耶，so good。
这是帮忙做 cookie 的福利，这是我们的 lasagna。